everyone, I'm in Kavos. I've just stopped here and got a scooter which is behind me there. You can see the scooter. I'm just going to do a walk around with the GoPro and see how we go. I've just parked the bike here for a bit and we'll just walk around. We'll do a bit of this is at the southern tip of Corfu. And it's a very touristy place. It's actually more touristy than Agios Georgios, St. George. I have no idea which direction the beach is. I think it's to the left, so I think it's down that way. Pretty sure. But we'll just have a look at the streets of Kavos. There you go, I think the beach is down that way. Pretty cool. CORFU Medical Services. Legends, so there might be a nightclub or a bar. Legends Street Food Canteen. And there's plenty of these souvenir shops floating around the place. Heaps of them. There you go, this looks like a British pub, just showing the soccer there. Yeah, Celtic versus someone. Yep. Pretty cool. Make sure I don't get run over here. Getting there slowly. The venue, so as you can see there's heaps of shops, little dune buggies, all the souvenir shops here. You can buy all sorts of things, magnets, fridge magnets. There you go, the buses come through, scare the shit out of everybody. Okay, we got more food. Big menu, good menu here. Plenty of restaurants, so this place comes alive. I'm not sure what's in there. 42nd Street. Very touristy here. This is the first time I've come down here. There's more supermarkets there. Shit, get run over. More supermarkets there. I think, yeah, I can see the beach right down the end there. Cool. Hotel left gimme. Yeses. Plenty of these inflatables for sale. Heaps everywhere. Yeah, it's a nice bike. Okay, you've got supermarkets. Yes, sir. Shops. Pretty cool. So these bars must open up later at night. The Island Bar over there. Okay, that road might go down. It says mini golf. I'll just keep going straight, otherwise we'll get lost. Surgery in here, so medical centre. Nice big flags. Here's the beach. Hopefully it's not too far down. music. We got all day bar restaurant. Pulse, it's called Pulse. Here we are, finally made the beach. Okay. Pretty cool. Looks busy right down the other end. Oh yeah. Pretty cool.
Are you asking me if I'm...
Okay. Busy here at the moment. People walking past. I thought you were asking me if I want a drink. Pretty cool. Spike here. It's a weird brand. I think it says Kimco 125. Alright. Hope you enjoyed the video here of Kavos, the streets of Kavos, and yeah, I'm gonna head back to St George or Agios Georgios, and yeah, just chill out a bit. Have a good one. Cheers.